Okay, Claire. Now we are going to continue to page 67. 二次関数の決定。一次関数はグラフ上の2点が移られれば決定できた。ここでは二次関数をそのグラフが満たす条件から認めてみよう。Okay. Now, 頂点や軸が移られた場合、次の条件を満たす放物線をグラフとする二次関数を認めよう。10 -3.2 を頂点とし、10 -4.5 を取る。軸が直線 x equal to で2点 1.3 and then 5 point -5 を取る。Okay, now we are going to try to solve the problem. The 10, okay, the 頂点 is -3.2. Okay, so we are going to use the formula over here. The y is equal to a in the bracket x plus, because the 頂点 is -3, okay, so the x will become plus 3, okay, the y is 2 become +2. Okay, we are going to find out the a over here. Okay, if we are using for example this dot, okay, this is like this, right? Fx equal a in the bracket x plus 3 plus 2, because the parabol Nijikansu is going through this coordinate. Okay, so if the x is -4, f -4 equal with a, okay, -4 plus 3 plus 2. Now the result for this is equal with y, right? Y is 5, so we replace this with 5. Okay, because this is equal y, this is the y. 5 equal with a, okay, -3, oh yeah, I forgot the quadrat, -4 plus 3 is -1 quadrat plus 2. 5 equal with a multiply 1 plus 2. 5 is a multiply 1 is a plus 2. So 5, this 2 move to the left, become -2 is equal a. Okay, so 5 minus 2 is 3 equal a. So the a is 2. So we can write it down as y equal to 3 in the bracket x plus 3, okay, quadrat plus 2. Only like that. Now let's try if you are using, okay, the頂点over here, this -3.2, to find the a. Can we use that? Now we are going to change the y, okay, into fx equal to a. Always write down like this if you want to find the coordinate, okay, if you are using the x, the value of x. X plus 3 quadrat plus 2. We are using the x, using this one. F minus 3 is equal a x, oh sorry, the x will become -3 plus 3 quadrat plus 2. The result is y over here. This is equal with y, right? The y is 2. So we write down 2 over here. 2 equal a in the bracket 0 quadrat plus 2. Okay. 2 equal a multiply 0 plus 2. Okay. Now maybe you are thinking why we are not using this choten, okay, this choten to find a. Instead we are using the coordinate which is run through by the parabol. Let's try. Y equal with a in the bracket x plus 3 quadrat plus 2, right? Now we try to use the choten. Can we use the choten? Now let's find it out. The fx equal with a in the bracket x plus 3 quadrat plus 2. If the x is minus 3 equal a minus 3 plus 3 quadrat plus 2. This is 2. The y is 2 over here. 2 equal a in the bracket 3 minus 3 plus 3 is 0 quadrat plus 2. So a multiply 0 is 0 already. Okay, plus 2. So we cannot find the a. Why? Because this is the choten. That's why we are using another coordinate over here. Okay. Now for number 2, jikuga chakusen. X equal to. Okay, the axis is x equal to. De arukara mitomeru nijikan suwa y equal ax minus 2 quadrat plus q. Okay. Let's solve the problem. Tokeru kono grafu ga nitan. Okay. 1.3 and 5 point minus 5 o toru kara. Now this one, 3 equal a plus q and minus 5 is equal 9a plus q. Okay, let's try to solve the problem. Now number 2, the x or the jiku is at 2. Okay, x is 2. So we are going to put it into the formula. Y equal ax plus b quadrat plus q, right? Because this is 2, plus become minus become plus. Because this is plus, this is over here minus. Okay? And then it is going through 1.3. Okay? 1.3 and also 5 comma minus 5. We are using this one first, 1.3. If we are using the first one, 1.3, fx equal a x minus 2 quadrat plus q. Using 1.3 over here, f1 is equal a, this is become 1 minus 2 quadrat plus q. Okay. What is the result? The y is 3. So 3 is equal a 1 minus 2 is minus 1 quadrat plus q. So 3 is equal a multiply 1 plus q. A is a plus q. Okay, this is the first one. Now we have another coordinate. We are going to use that one. Again, we are going to use y equal a in the bracket x plus, p quadrat plus q. Okay, starting from here, we are using the GQ as 2, y equal a x minus 2 quadrat plus q. Now we are going to put the first over here, fx equal to a x minus 2 quadrat plus q. If the x is 5, okay, a x is 5 minus 2 quadrat plus q. The y over here is minus 5. Okay, minus 5 equal a 5 minus 2 is 3 quadrat plus q. Minus 5 is equal 9a, okay, plus q. So this is the second one. Now let's continue. We have the first quotient. Let's make it into 1. Okay, this is number 2, the second quotient. Now what should we do? We can search for a and q, okay, with these two quotients. Let's do it. Okay, now we write it down like this. Okay, we are going to eliminate q first. Why? Because we want to find both, either a and q. The simpler one is to eliminate the q. Okay, so q minus q, okay, to become 0. Okay, let's minus. Okay, 3 minus 5. Okay, 3 minus 5. It is 8, because 3 plus 5, it's 8. So we write it down 8 over here. Okay, now a minus 9a. Okay, so it is minus 8a, minus over here, minus minus 8a. Okay, because this is minus, you have to write down like this, Claire. Okay, so you're not going to get confused, because if you see it like this, you'll get confused. Okay, always write it down like this, so you will not have a wrong value for each of them. Now this one, q minus q, 0. Okay, 0, we write nothing. So we have the a equal minus 8a. So we are going to divide with minus 8. 8 divide minus 8 equal y minus a. So that this one, okay, is gone. Okay, this is coret, become 1. Minus 8 divide minus 8 is 1. Minus 8 divide minus 8 is 1. Okay, this is 1. Now 8 divide minus 8. Okay, it's minus 1 is equal a. Okay, now and after we have the a, we are going to find the q. How? We can use either number 1 or number 2. Let's try to use number 1 first. 3 is equal a plus q. 3 is equal a, over here is minus 1 plus q. Okay, we move the 1 over here, so 3 plus 1, okay, the minus become plus, equal q. 4 equal q. Okay, so now we have all the value already for a, we have the value for q. Okay, so it will become y is equal, okay, ax ax plus p quadrat plus q. Okay, we put it one by one. Y is equal a minus, okay, minus 1 or minus only, x, okay, the p is minus 2. Why? Because the vertex is x equal 2, okay, quadrat, the q is 4 plus 4. What happen if we are using this equation for finding the q? Okay, let's try it. So it is minus 5 equal 9a plus q. Okay, minus 5 is equal 9 multiply minus 1 plus q. Minus 5 is equal minus 9 plus q. So we move 9 over here, minus 5, minus become plus, plus 9 equal q. Minus 5 plus 9 is 4 is equal q. So the same, right? 4 is equal q. So you can use either this or this. It's the same. The result will be the same. Okay, Claire. Now we are moving to Mon Juichi Ichi. We have the 10 over here as a choten, 1.3, and then another 10, another coordinate is 2, negative 1 toru. Okay, so we are going to write down first the formula. The formula is y equal a in the bracket x plus p quadrat plus q. So we are going to use this choten, okay? We are using this choten. This choten, we have the x, we have the y coordinate. Now it is going to be a in the bracket x. For p, we are using this x, the value of x, because this is plus, it's going to be minus 1 quadrat. The q is using the y, okay, plus 3. Okay, now we have this. What is the value of a? We are using the 10 coordinate for this one, using the one which is torimas. Okay, we are changing it into fx form, a x minus 1, okay, quadrat plus 3. So we replace the x with 2. Okay, a in the bracket, x is 2, 2 minus 1 quadrat plus 3. So the y is minus 1. Okay, the y is minus 1. Okay, this is y, right? The same. This is the same. Minus 1 is equal a in the bracket. 2 minus 1 is 1 quadrat plus 3. Minus 1 is a plus 3. We are moving the 3 over here. Okay, minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 is a. So minus 4, okay, is a. We got the value for a already. So the result is y is equal, the a is minus 4 in the bracket, x minus 1 quadrat plus 3. That's it. Okay, now Mon Juichi ni. Okay, we have the jiku. Okay, jiku ga chokusen x minus 2. Okay, and then the parabol is toru, these two coordinate 0.5 and 1.20. Let's try to make it. Okay, we write down the formula first. Y is equal a in the bracket x plus p quadrat plus q. Always start with the formula, okay, otherwise you'll get confused. And then we have the x is minus 2 over here, so we can replace the p over here. Y is equal a in the bracket x, because this is minus, become plus 2, okay, quadrat plus q. Okay, now we have this first one. Now, by using this one, the first 10, okay, we are going to replace with fx. Fx is equal a in the bracket x plus 2 quadrat plus key. Now we are using the first one, okay, 0.5. If x is x0, okay, a 0 plus 2 quadrat plus key, right? The result of this fx or y, the y is 5. So we put 5 over here. A 2 quadrat plus key. Okay, 5 is equal a multiply 4 plus key. Okay, or 5 is 4a plus key. This is the first. Okay, now we are using the second, this one. Okay, start again with the fx. Fx is a in the bracket x plus 2 quadrat plus key. We are using this one. X is 1. A, x is 1 plus 2 quadrat plus key. The result of f1 is 20. So we replace it with 20 over here because this is the y. Okay, the y. Okay, a in the bracket 1 plus 2 is 3 quadrat plus key. 20 is equal to a multiply 9 plus key. 20 is equal 9a plus key. This is the second one. So we are going to combine both. Okay, over here 5 is equal 4a plus key. With this, 20 is equal 9a plus key. We are going to eliminate the q using minus, so that q minus q is 0. Okay, now 5 minus 20 is minus 15. We write down minus 15. 4a minus 9a. It is minus 5a. Okay, minus 5a. So we are going to divide with minus 5 so that the a will become we can remove the 5 minus 5. Okay, minus 15 divide minus 5. Okay, minus 5 a divide minus 5. Okay, this is becoming 3. So this is the a. If we get the a already, we can count the q. We are trying to use this one then. Okay, we write down over here 5 is equal 4a plus q. 5 is 4 multiply a. The a is over here 3. Multiply 3 plus q. 5 is 4 multiply 3 is 12 plus q. We move it over here. 5 minus 12 is q. So minus 7 is q. So we have the a, we have the q. So what is the result? Y equal the ax, right? Ax plus 2q. Okay, now we are trying to put all the value. The a is 3. Okay, in the bracket x plus 2 quadrat minus 7.